Chris Chinnock here for the 8K monitor on the Advantech booth at IBC 2022, where they have an interesting 8K demo I want to tell you about. So first of all, Advantech offers this product here. This is a PCI-based encoding card. It uses Intel chips to encode 8K at 60 frames per second. And what they've done is worked with this company called LightMatrix. It's a Taiwan-based company who's assembled this array of cameras around a baseball stadium to be able to create this 8K 360 viewport solution. And what they've done is the way this thing works is shown in this diagram here, which you can sort of get an idea from. We've got however many cameras, this is 12 or so cameras that all go into a giant Ethernet switch. And then that goes into a 10 gigabit LAN, and then directly into this server, which has this VEGA 3304 encoding card in it. And the output of that is an HLS or MPEG transport stream that can go to an 8K display. In this case, this is not an 8K display that is showing this on. This is, I don't know whatever this is, 4K or 1080, but you can get the idea of what's going on here. You can actually zoom all around the players. You can zoom in and out, turn around, slow it down, speed it up. This is exactly the kind of application that a lot of sports networks like to be able to do. So this is, we'll be doing a little bit more in-depth article on this to learn more about some of the specifics. So stay tuned for that. Chris Chinnock for the 8K monitor.